So this is what I used to do before I got my magnetic towel holder. I mean, look at this. It's just a cluttered area. So it's so nice now that I can remove this and this from here and just create a little bit more space. But look at my dish towel. Look what I'm using. It's a banana hanger. So really pathetic. So much better than what I showed you before, right? Super strong. It will hold up to 10 pounds. Not that anyone would need to put 10 pounds worth of stuff on there. So I'm just going to take it off. It's on there really good. Really powerful magnet. This is all you do. You just stick it up there and there you go. It's installed. You just slide the paper towel in right there, and then this bottom one is for your dish towels. Just like that. Place it up there. Bam. Installed. We'll just put the dish towel up. When you want to take a paper towel, boom. Comes off. Nice and easy. And it's not just for paper towels and dish towels. You can hang utensils from it too. You can also attach it to washing machines, filing cabinets, and steel doors. Overall, I'm really impressed with this magnetic paper towel holder. It's convenient, it saves space, and it looks great. If you're tired of your paper towels taking up valuable counter space, this is a great option. I give it 5 stars.